I give you the food. I thought you're hungry. I give you. I put the food in the bowl. Even brownie. Oh, see this one? Ah! Pag nakarinig ng tunog, nababaliw si Maxie. Ayan o. Oh, see? Pag nakarinig yan ng tunog, oh, see? Wala na! Wala na nga! Tapos na? Finish, no more. O, naglukso-lukso ka pa dyan. Para ka ng kabayo. That's enough. Shh! Hey! That's enough. Para kang tangik. Oh, you eat na. I give you the food. How about you? How about you? Not yet hungry? Huh? Not yet hungry? Huh? Si Kuya Max. Very hate sound. Oh, ayan. Ano ba kasi? Diyos mio. Makarinig ka lang ng tunog eh. That's enough. Hey. Hey. Bala ka dyan. Kulit talaga siya. That's enough. That's enough. Ay, talaga naman. Anong gagawin natin? What we gonna do to the sound? I cannot stop it. Tingnan mo si Brownie, oh, tahimik. Ikaw ang gulo. Oh, ayan. May palukso-lukso ka pang nalalaman. Wala na nga, finish. No more sound. Ano pa ba? Hey, that's enough. Ay, ayaw tumigil? That's enough. Pasaway. Tama na nga eh. Wala na. Oh, dito mo. Napagod ka. Kakakahul. Wala namang kabuluhan. Brownie? Hindi na makita yung mata nito. Brownie! Brownie! Saan ba mata mo? Thank you for watching, guys. Wala nang mata.